In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets offline. This is a handy feature for those times when you might be traveling, or when you find yourself without internet access, but still need to work on your documents. Let's dive in and get you set up so your work can go uninterrupted, no matter where you are. To start, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you're not already signed in, just head over to Google Slides and enter your credentials. It's always best to check that you're signed in to avoid any hiccups later on. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you have the choice to either open a blank presentation or select from a variety of templates. This functionality is there to make it easier for you to customize a presentation that suits your style right from the get-go. Now that your presentation is open, you'll want to head to the top menu and click on the File option. This opens up a variety of options related to your Google Slides file. To make it available offline, you'll need to click on Make Available Offline. This option is crucial because it's what will allow you to access and edit your documents, presentations, and spreadsheets even when there's no internet connection. When you choose to make your documents available offline, Google creates copies on your device. This is a seamless process that generally happens in the background without notably affecting the performance of your computer. However, if it's your first time enabling offline access, there's a small catch. You might notice a prompt that says an extension is needed. This is because Google Docs offline mode requires a Chrome extension to function. So once you see extension needed, go ahead and click on it. It will take you to the Chrome web store where you can easily add the required extension. Just follow the on-screen instructions to add it to your browser. Installing the extension is a one-time requirement and should only take a minute or two. Once it's installed, it syncs your Google Documents offline automatically, ensuring they are always up to date whenever you re-establish an internet connection. And that's it, you've now set up Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets to be accessible offline. This feature can be a game changer for productivity, especially when traveling or during unexpected internet outages. So next time you find yourself without connectivity, rest easy knowing that your work won't be disrupted. Enjoy working offline and stay productive wherever you are.